I just self-published my own manga. No team, no publisher, just me pushing through everything that tried to stop me. And I have to say, the reactions that I've been getting from the series are something that is truly appreciable. And the numbers that I've been getting from the development of the series are something that I didn't even believe myself. 3,000 views, actually 3,000 reads on the series. That means something. Like, that is something that I wasn't expecting, to be truly honest. I wasn't expecting that. So, for those who don't know me, I'm Olusiano Exai. I'm the creator and the artist of the series Fatal Flow. If you don't know what the series is about, it's about a young boy named Kazuya who dreams of becoming the strongest warrior in the series, but is followed by a prophecy of the Mahokami. The Mahokami is a guardian of six powerful artifacts known as the Infinity Orbs. But I'm not gonna go into depth into the explanation. I'm just gonna let the chapters do all the talking. And if you wanna read all about it, if you wanna read the chapters, available in the link in the description. So far, I have published 3 chapters. Chapter 2 is now available to read. When I was creating the series, it took me a long time, because this was something that started to me as an idea since when I was in grade 7, So, yeah, ever since then, the idea of making manga never stopped. So, since I've been seeing everyone out there having some tablets, fancy tablets, like drawing displays and computers when making manga, I didn't have any of that. So, and I still don't. How I made it? So I used my phone to draw these chapters that I have published thus far, and I have to say I have been progressing. Like I've been leveling up into how I make the chapters now. If you could take a look at chapter 0 all the way to chapter 2, you would see that there's a huge difference that has happened, that has taken place. And I have struggled a lot because using my phone to draw the chapters kind of take a lot out of me, and it's kind of gives me sore thumbs. So, but other than that, I pushed through it, and being able to publish these 3 chapters is a huge win for me. Again, the series hasn't been out for that long. It has only been out for 5 months, and I've already published chapter 2. I know it's been a long time because at school to take care of also, so like I got schoolwork to do, and also I take some time to make some manga videos and give you guys some chapters that you could enjoy. And thank you very much, you guys, for reading the chapters. It really means a lot to me, and it really means that I am making a significant I am making an effort to create something that people are able to enjoy. And I've been getting some interesting comments from you guys after reading chapter 1. And these 2 comments over here kinda basically say the same thing. I can't wait for the entrance exam. That really shows that you guys are really invested in the story. Like, you can't wait to see what the other characters might do, and some introductions to new characters, or you want to see how will Isame and Kazuya do in the entrance exam. So with this new chapter 2, I hope that it makes something, like it gives you the same vibes as chapter 1 already gave you guys. So yeah, again, 3,000 views is something I didn't even expect from 2 chapters. But hey, I am very much grateful that you guys are enjoying the series as much as I enjoy making it. And the key things that I've learned through all this experience of making manga is that if you want to make a manga series, you have to be consistent about it. I'm not sure if that's a true lesson that I'd say I've learned, but it's something that I think I have learned because to me it kind of makes sense. I hope I'm making sense for you guys as well. So yeah, I really much enjoy making manga like this because it lets my mind run free, ideas are put into pages. So yeah, again, me and my writer, thank you guys very much for tuning in into reading the series and making an effort to comment on what you think the chapters have been. Tell me down in the description below what you think chapter 2 is like. What type of vibe do you get from chapter 2, or how do you feel about it? Let me know once you're done reading the chapter. Let me know in this video down below in the comments. So yeah, the link to reading the series is in the comments down below. So you guys, yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. So since I've already published chapter 2, so for chapter 3, I am not gonna be saying anything. So because me and my writer haven't thought of anything yet for chapter 3, but I'm sure you guys that it's gonna have to do something with the entrance exam, So yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, I thank you. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're new. Turn on the notifications for when I upload absolutely anything. Leave a like on this video or probably a comment to tell me what you guys think on this update on the series. So yeah, I love you all. Thank you very much for reading the series. I hope this support continues further on. This is Oceania XI, and I'm out.